Hello all, I'm Sai and you're watching The Book Dragon. I know that we are all in a very stressful condition right now and it is very necessary to keep our mind relaxed and in a good state. So I'm going to recommend you 5 books which are going to be very cozy reads and you can read them and make your mind as relaxed as you can. So let's get into today's video. The first book that I'm recommending is The Upside of Unrequited by Becky Albertalli. Now this book is about a girl named Molly. She's a bit overweight and she has very lot number of insecurities in her mind, and she's a very down to earth introvert if you ask me. She has like 27 crushes in her life, which have ended up in nothing, and she's having this 28th crush on a boy. Will that work out? In order to know that, you have to read The Upside of Unrequited by Vicky Albertelli. Now this is a very sweet story and it is very heartwarming when you close it. I'm sure that you can read this within a day or two. It is such a light-hearted, fluffy read, and you will enjoy reading this for sure. The next book which I'm recommending is Girl Online by Zoe Sugg. Now, this book is about a girl named Penny, and she has this very terrible car accident in which nothing happens physically to her or her family, but she has this PTSD due to the accident. There are things that are not going very well in her life, and there is this embarrassing video of her leaked on Facebook, and she has to handle that by herself. She has this blog which is anonymous, and she has a lot of followers in the blog as well, and most of the people that are in the blog can connect with her. And during this time she gets an opportunity to travel with her parents to America for Christmas, and it is such a fun time for her there. She finds a guy there whom she likes a lot, but it doesn't end up in anything serious. It is such a fun read if you ask me, and I'm sure that you'll not be able to put this down because it was such a good experience reading this book. The next book is Aristotle and Dante Discover the Secrets of the New Universe by Benjamin Ali Sands, and this book is about two boys named Aristotle and Dante. Those are their real names, and they meet unexpectedly and become very good friends, and their friendship becomes a meaningful relationship by the end of the book. It is not rushed at all. It is very slowly paced. It is very good to read about, and the friendship parts of the book are the best if you ask me while you read them. And there is also this very good portrayal of long distance friendship between two guys that has been very well shown in the book by Benjamin, and I liked that a lot because always mostly we get only female points of view in young adult fiction, but this was from the points of view of two boys who are totally different from each other in character, yet they are the ones who end up being friends. I liked that thing which was well handled by the author. So if you're if you're hoping for a cool read, then you have to read this by Benjamin Ali Sands. The next one is also a very fun read, and it is Norse Mythology by Neil Gaiman. I read this as the audiobook in Storytel, and the audiobook is narrated by Neil Gaiman himself. He is such a good narrator if you ask me. He's as good a narrator as he is a writer, and he has written the Norse mythology in his own style. There's nothing much that is added onto the story. It's just the Greek mythology or the Norse mythology as such that is written by Neil Gaiman. I know that he has such a very beautiful style of writing, and he uses words in such a way that you fall in love with the book. Even if you don't like the story that much, you will end up liking the writing a lot because he has this very smooth writing style and it flows very well. And the best thing is about this book is that even though it is Norse mythology, the main focus is on Thor, who's such a good character. He's portrayed as such. It was like watching Thor in a Marvel movie while reading this book, and I like this a lot. It was a 5-star read for me, and you have to try this because it'll give you a very, how to say, informative time that was spent very deliciously. The last book which I am recommending today is The Sun is Also a Star by Nicola Yoon. Now this book is about a guy named Daniel and a girl named Natasha. Now Natasha is a Jamaican American girl, and Daniel is a Korean American boy. They are from totally different cultures. All the events in this book take place within a single day's time. Natasha is a girl who's going to get back to Jamaica due to some financial issues, and Daniel is a guy who's trying to get into medical school after he finishes his high school. Both these households are shown very differently. How the Jamaican household is very small, and it is very much controlled by the parents, and how they live the life as a family was very well shown. And we also have this totally contrasting culture of uh, Koreans, that is that of Daniel, which was shown in the book. And there's a lot of research that has been put down by the author. She has not just written things which we all know about Jamaican culture or Korean culture. She has included a lot, starting from the food and how they dress, how they treat things in home. All those things were very well done. We also have this very shitty character of Daniel's elder brother, who was totally annoying, and I liked the character due to that because he was portrayed in such a good way. There is also this younger brother of Natasha who appears like in one or two scenes of the book. It was also very well done. If you're looking for a cozy read, but it'll be a bit painful. It'll have pain like a twang in between the story. Then you have to read The Sun Is Also a Star by Nikolai. So those were all the 5 books which I can recommend as cozy reads for this time of the year. If you found this video enjoyable and informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also share it to your friends. If you want to get more content from me, do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.